Hello students. So in this video we will see how to solve problem number 3.4, which is on retirement of a partner. Okay, so the first step which I have told you all is that we are going to start with the adjustment. Before we read the question, I will first start reading the adjustment, and according to the adjustment we will put a mark in the liabilities or in the asset side. Okay, so on the above date, Ravi Raj retires. So who is retiring? The first partner, Ravi Raj. So on the above date, what date is given above? That is this balance sheet date. So on this date, Ravi Raj retires from the firm and the partner agreed to the following. So now when the partner is retiring at the end of accounting year or at the start of accounting year, in that case we do not need to calculate accrued profit. Accrued profit आमकां केन्ना calculate करचें पडटा? Only when the partner is retiring in middle of the accounting year. Okay, so the first adjustment, office premises to be appreciated by 20%. Appreciate म्हणजे कितें करपाचें? Increase करपाचें. So I will put a mark over here. I will put a star for office premises. Computer system to be reduced by 20%. Put a star for computer system. Furniture to be depreciated means decrease by 15%. So put a star for furniture also. Then what is given? Investment taken over by Ravi Raj at the book value. So what you do, you just circle it and write besides taken over by partner. So when a partner take over the investment or any of the asset, that time that asset will not appear in the balance sheet. Okay, please note, जेन्ना एक पार्टनर एक असेट जे आसा ते फुल्ली टेक ओवर करता किंवा लायबिलिटी जी आसा ती फुल्ली टेक ओवर करता, तेन्ना that asset or liability, that item will not appear in the balance sheet. It will not be recorded in the balance sheet which we are preparing now. Okay, so just take a note of this, taken over by partner. Then the goodwill should be valued at 2 years purchase of average profit of the last 4 years. 4 वर्सांची आमकां प्रॉफिट्स दिल्ली आसात. Okay, 2014, 2015, 2016 and 2017. So taking the 4 years profits, okay, year for this 2016 there is a loss. So loss asल्यार आमी minus करतात. So you all already know that. So what you have to find out over here, students, you have to find out the goodwill of the firm. Now in the previous question you know that the goodwill of the firm is valued at so and so rupees. अशें आमकां क्वेश्चनान adjustmentan दिल्ले आशिल्ले. Okay, you go back to question that is problem number 3.3. You will get in the first line itself the goodwill is valued at so and so amount. Okay, थंय तुमकां गरज पडुना goodwill calculate करपाची, but in this case हांगा तुमकां goodwill calculate कर म्हणून सांगला, कित्याक हांगा goodwillaचो amount दिवना. The goodwill of the firm is not given over here. So using this average profit method, okay, you have to calculate the average profit, and whatever the average profit you get, goodwill is equal to average profit multiplied by number of years purchase. I hope you remember this formula. Goodwill is equal to average profit multiplied by number of years purchase. So number of years purchase is given, that is 2 years purchase. So first you need to calculate the average profit, then average profit you will substitute in this formula multiplied by number of years purchase, that is 2 years, that is your goodwill of the firm. Then once you get the goodwill of the firm, then you will calculate the share of a retiring partner in that goodwill, and that will be given to the retiring partner by the remaining partners. So that those steps we know, but only additional part in this question is that हांगा तुमकां गुडवील ऑफ द फर्म कॅल्कुलेट करपाक लायला. हांगा तुमकां गुडवील डायरेक्टली दिवना क्वेश्चनान. ओके. देन गुडवील इज टू बी रेज टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ रविराज शेअर. हू इज रविराज? रविराज इज अ रिटायरिंग पार्टनर. सो हांगा कितें सांगलां, गुडवील आमकां कॅल्कुलेट करचें पडटलें आनीक रविराजाचो जो शेअर आसा, जो रिटायरिंग पार्टनराचो शेअर आसा, तो आमकां फायंड आउट करचो पडटलो. दॅट वी नो. द रिमेनींग स्टेप्स वी नो. ओके. देन एन अमाउंट ऑफ रुपीज 8,500 included in the creditors is no longer a liability and hence it should be written off. 8,000 liability, 8,500 was included in the creditors. Creditors म्हणजे कितें? It is a liability. So I am just putting a mark over here so that we know there is some adjustment for the creditors also. And lastly, the entire amount payable to the retiring partner shall be kept at his loan account. So जितलोय कितें आमकां बॅलन्सिंग फिगर मेळटा इन द पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट, ओके, आफ्टर क्लोजिंग द पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट फॉर द रिटायरिंग पार्टनर जो आसा तो आमकां बॅलन्सिंग फिगर मेळटा, तो आमी त्या पार्टनराल्या लोन अकाउंटान ट्रान्सफर करतात. सो हांगा ताका हाफ अमावंट पे केला अशें कांय ना. हांगा फूल अमावंटाचे आमी लोन अकाउंटान ट्रान्सफर करतली. ओके. दॅट इज वॉट इज गिवन इन द लास्ट लायन. So now once we have put all the marks, let us start from the start of the problem now. Okay. So Raviraj कोण रिटायर्ड जाता? हांगा रविराज रिटायर्ड जाता. हो जो फर्स्ट पार्टनर आसा तो रिटायर्ड जाता. Raviraj, Shivraj and Ruturaj are partners in the firm sharing profits and losses in the proportion of 60%, 20% and 20%. So 60 plus 20, 80 plus 20, 100. So out of 100 parts, 60 parts were given Raviraj, Shivraj and Ruturaj. Okay, out of 60 parts, okay, out of 100 parts, 60 parts were given to Raviraj, जाल्यार 20 parts were given to Shivraj and the remaining 20 parts were given to the Ruturaj. Cancel the zeros. Okay, now even this 2 and 6 you can cancel. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 3s are 6. Okay, so this we can write it as 3:1:1. आमी कशी बरोवपाक शकता ती? ओल्ड रेशियो कितलो जालो तांचो हें हांवें फर्दर कॅन्सल केला. 3:1:1, which we can write it as 3/5, 1/5 and 1/5. This is their old ratio of all the three partners, 3:1:1. Okay, मागीर कितें दिला? The following is in the balance sheet. Okay, now we will read the balance sheet items and accordingly we will transfer it in the partners capital account or in the balance sheet. So as you know, हे बॅलन्स शीटांतले जे आयटम्स आसात ते एक तर पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंटान येतले, एक तर ते बॅलन्स शीटान येतले. इट वील नॉट कम इन द रिवॅल्युएशन अकाउंट, इदर इन दीस अकाउंट और इन दीस बॅलन्स शीट. ओके. So balance sheet as at the same date will come 31st March 2017 because when the partner is retiring on this date. Okay, now the first step, let us start with the liability side. We will do with the liability item first. Capital accounts, Ravirajacho capital kitlo asa 60, Shivraj 40 and Ruturaj 40. So what you will do, this will be recorded in the partners capital account. Which side? Debit side or credit side? Hanga khoi barela in the left hand side. So opposite side in record zatlo. Opposite means credit side in record zatlo. So you will write your by balance brought down. Raviraj capital was how much? 60,000. Shivraj capital was 40,000 and Ruturaj capital was also 40,000. Okay, so once that is written, put a tick mark. Then general fund. आता तुम्ही जितली प्रॉब्लमां केल्ली आसा तुमकां थंय जनरल रिजर्व म्हणून आयिल्ले आसतले. Don't get confused. General fund, general reserve means one and the same. Okay, so general reserve आम्ही कितें करतात, ओल्ड पार्टनर्स जे आसात तांकां आमी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करता. सो इन केस ऑफ अ रिटायरमेंट ऑल द 3 पार्टनर्स आर ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. ओके, सो जनरल रिजर्व खंयच्या सायडीन बरयल्ले आसा हांगा बॅलन्स शीटान, लेफ्ट सायडीन. सो दॅट ऑल्सो वील गो इन द ऑपोजीट सायड इन द पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट. इट वील गो इन द क्रेडीट सायड, ऑपोजीट सायडीन वतले. ओके, सो रायट हियर बाय जनरल रिजर्व. ओके, now 30,000, let us distribute this amount general reserve. ओके, जनरल रिजर्व आमी ओल्ड पार्टनर्साक दितात, सगळे ओल्ड पार्टनर्स आसात हांगा आनी तांकां ते कशें दितले आमी इन ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो. सो वॉट इज द ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो दॅट वी हॅव गॉट? 3:1:1. ओके, ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो कितें आशिल्लो? 3:1:1. So let us write the first partner Raviraj, then Shivraj, and then Ruturaj. Okay, so general fund amount kitlo asa? 30,000. So this 30,000 we will distribute now in their old profit sharing ratio. What is their old profit sharing ratio? Raviraj was 3/5. Okay, Shivraj is 1/5 and Ruturaj is also 1/5. So if you calculate this, you will get 18,000 rupees, 18,000 for Ruturaj, rupees 6,000 for Shivraj, and also rupees 6,000 for Ruturaj. Okay, for Raviraj it is 18,000, Shivraj it is 6,000 and Ruturaj it is 6,000. So Shivraj आणि Ruturajak ते सेम आसतले बिकॉज तांचो इक्वल रेशो आसा 1/5, 1/5. So now let us write this over here. 18,000 for Raviraj, Shivraj is 6,000 and Ruturaj also 6,000. Okay, then put a tick mark once it is recorded. Then let us go to the next item, sundry creditors. Now sundry creditors, bills payable, it will be recorded in the liabilities under the balance sheet. So हांगा फक्त कितें येतलो, कॅपिटल येतले आनी रिजर्व फंड आनी कसलो फंड आसा, रिजर्व्स किंवा फंड ते येतले. ओके, नॉट एम्प्लॉई कंपेन्सेशन फंड. एम्प्लॉई कंपेन्सेशन फंड जो अमाउंट आसा तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करपाचो ना, तो लायबिलिटी म्हणून हांगा रिकॉर्ड जातलो. ओके, सो sundry creditors and bills payable we have to write over here, but before that under liability what is the first item that should come is capitals of the remaining partner. Okay, आता कोण रिटायर्ड जाता? रविराज रिटायर्ड जाता. So उरले कोण partner if Raviraj is retiring? Shivraj and Ruturaj. So write the names of the remaining partner here. Just write the names as of now. Amount we will write later. Raviraj and Ruturaj, leave as it is. And then you can write these items appearing in the liability side. Sundry creditors 66,000, bills payable, okay, sorry, extremely sorry. Okay, I will just write this bills payable 38,000. This one I will cancel because ताका आमी स्टार घातिल्लो आसा. सो ती एंट्री जी आसा सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर्स ताजो अमाउंट आमी भितरल्या अमाउंट कॉलमान येतलो, हांगा येतलो बिकॉज वी हॅव पुट अ स्टार. ओके, सो 66,000 I will write here inside and below that I will leave one line. Okay, because there is some adjustment for that. Okay, so just put a tick mark because we have recorded it over here. Then let us go now to the asset side items. Okay, the first is office premises. Okay, for office premises I have put a star, so I will write that amount in the inside column, and below that I will leave one line. Put a tick mark once it is recorded. Then next is furniture. फर्निचराक सुद्दां आमी स्टार घातला, सो ताजो सुद्दां अमावंट हांव भितरल्या अमावंट कॉलमान बरयतलें, एंड बिलो दॅट आय विल लीव वन लायन, पुट अ टिक मार्क. देन इज कंप्युटर सिस्टम. अमावंट इज 40,000. ताका सुद्दां स्टार घातिल्लो आसा, so I will write it in the inside column. Then bills receivable. For bills receivable we have not put any mark or any star, so I will write that amount directly in the outside column, in the amount column. Once it is recorded, put a tick mark. ओके. देन इन्वेस्टमेंट हो जो आसा तो बॅलन्स शिटान येवचो ना म्हणून तुमकां हांवें सांगिल्लें, बिकॉज दॅट इज टेकन ओवर बाय वन पार्टनर. सो तो इन्वेस्टमेंट सपोज एक पार्टनरान ऑलरेडी व्हेलो जाल्यार इन्वेस्टमेंट म्हणून बिजनसान कांय उरचें ना, बिकॉज इट इज ऑलरेडी टेकन ओवर बाय द पार्टनर. So just ignore it as of now and don't put a tick mark. We will come to that later. And then you can write cash and bank balance. Okay, so in this case, in this problem, आमी पार्टनराक जो अमाउंट पे करपाची आसता, रिटायरिंग पार्टनराक, तो आमी ताच्या फुल्ली लोन अकाउंटान घालतात. ताका आनी कांय चॅक बीन इशू करून थोडोसो पेमेंट कांय करना. सो डायरेक्टली यू कॅन रायट दीस कॅश एंड बँक बॅलन्स in the outer column. कित्याक outer column, in this question we have not read anything, any line as such that the retiring partner is paid cash or 50% is paid to the retiring partner in cash. अशें आमकां थंय कांय लायन मेळूं ना. तशी सपोज लायन आशिल्ली जाल्यार आमचे कॅश बॅलन्स जो आशिल्लो तो कमी जातलो वन्स a certain amount of check or cash is given to the retiring partner. So हांगा दिवना, so what you will do, cash and bank balance directly you can write it in the outside amount column. Okay, then put a tick mark. So आता आमी इतल्यो ट्रान्सफर एंट्री केल्यो, ह्योच तुमी ट्रान्सफर एंट्री रिकॉर्ड केल्यो जाल्यार तुमकां 2 किंवा 2.5 मार्क्स पडटले. You will get at least 2 or 2.5 mark only for this transfer entries. Okay, now let us go to the adjustment. What is given? On the above date, Raviraj retires from the firm and the partners agreed to the following. Okay, Raviraj retired zalo and following were agreed by the partners. Office premises to be appreciated by 20%. Okay, I will write here. Office premises एप्रिशिएट कर म्हटला. एप्रिशिएट मीन्स वॉट, ताजो वॅल्यू जो आसा तो इनक्रीज कर म्हटला. बाय वॉट अमाउंट? बाय 20%. सो वॉट इज द बुक वॅल्यू ऑफ ऑफिस प्रिमायसीस दॅट यू वील गेट इन द क्वेश्चन. ऑफिस प्रिमायसीसाचो बुक वॅल्यू कितलो आशिल्लो? 1,50,000. ताजेर कितें कॅल्कुलेट कर म्हटला? 20%. सो ऑन दॅट यू वील कॅल्कुलेट 20% ऑफ book value. So if you calculate 20% of this, okay, you will get 30,000. So appreciate means what you will do, you will add. So how much it is coming to? 1,80,000. Okay, so this 30,000 you will record in two places. Firstly in revaluation account and secondly in the balance sheet. आता revaluation account खंयच्या सायडीन रिकॉर्ड करतली आमी, डेबिट सायड और क्रेडिट सायड? सी, ऑफिस प्रिमायसीसाचो वॅल्यू कितें जाला? इनक्रीज जाला. बाय वॉट अमाउंट? 30,000. वॉट इज ऑफिस प्रिमायसीस? इज ऑफिस प्रिमायसीस अ असेट or is it a liability? If you don't know, look at the question and see where office premises is written. Under what heading? Is it written under liability or is it written under asset? It is written under asset. So जेन्ना office premisesaचो value वाडटा, that means assetaचो value सुद्धा वाडटा. So when asset value is increasing, which side do we record it in the revaluation account? This is decrease in assets, increase in liability, increase in asset, decrease in liability. So when asset value is increasing, where do we record? See the sign over here. So by office premises Okay, what is the amount? Here, 30,000. So first effect we have recorded in the revaluation account, put a tick mark. Second effect is in the balance sheet. So here in the balance sheet what you will do? You will add that 30,000. So before that you have to write add appreciation plus 30,000, outer column 1,80,000. Okay, so second effect सुद्धा आम्ही record केलो. Okay, then let us go to the next. Office premises to be appreciated we have done. Computer system to be reduced by 20%. Reduce म्हणजे decrease. Okay, computer system. Next is computer system. What was the book value of computer? You will get it in the question. Book value of computer system was 40,000. Okay. आता कितें सांगला in the adjustment computer system to be reduced by 20%. So you have to reduce 20% of book value. So if you calculate 20% on 40,000, you will get 8,000. So 8,000 तांच्यांनी कितें कर म्हटला ताचो व्हॅल्यू जो आसा कंप्युटराचो तो रिड्यूस कर म्हटला. So the new value of the computer will be how much? 32,000 after reducing it by 20%, that is 8,000. Okay, so similarly उदळ आमी कशें केल्लें, हाजो एक इफेक्ट रिवॅल्युएशन अकाउंटान रिकॉर्ड जातलो आनी दुसरो इफेक्ट बॅलन्स शीटान रिकॉर्ड जातलो. बट वॉट इज कंप्युटर सिस्टम? कंप्युटर सिस्टम इज अ असेट. सो इट इज एन असेट. पयलीं कितलो आशिल्लो कंप्युटर सिस्टमाचो व्हॅल्यू 40,000 आनी आतां कितलो आसा 32. सो इट इज डिक्रीज्ड बाय वॉट अमाउंट? 8,000. सो वेन कंप्युटर सिस्टम व्हॅल्यू इज डिक्रीजिंग, that means asset value is also decreasing. So which side do we record it in the revaluation account? In the debit side. It is recorded in the debit side. Okay, so I will go now in the debit side in the revaluation account. This is the debit side. Okay, to computer system. Okay, what is the amount? 8,000. The value is decreased by 8,000. So first effect we have recorded in the revaluation account. Second effect ko येतलो balance sheet an येतलो. So go to the balance sheet where we have recorded computer system here. So write here less depreciation. कितलो amount to 8,000. Outer column an कितलो येतलो 32,000. Okay, so the second effect is also recorded, first in revaluation, second in the balance sheet. Then now furniture to be depreciated by 15%. Okay, next item is furniture. Okay, furnitureacho book value kitlo ashillo? What was the book value of furniture? Book value of furniture was here 22,000. Okay, what was the book value of furniture? It is 22,000. आणि आता कितें सांगला adjustmentan? Furniture to be depreciated by 15%. So depreciate means what? Decrease. Okay, furnitureacho value decrease कर म्हटला by what percent? 15% on book value. So if you calculate 15% on 22,000, you will get 3,300. Okay, if you minus this, it comes to 18,700. So फर्निचराचो व्हॅल्यू कितें जाता हांगा डिक्रीज जाता. पयलीं कितलो आशिल्लो 22,000, आतां आमी कितलो मेळटा 18,700. सो इट इज डिक्रीज्ड बाय 3,300. सो where you will record this, first effect will be in the revaluation account, second effect will be in the balance sheet. What is a furniture? Is it a liability or asset? Furniture is recorded in the asset. So furniture is asset. So जेन्ना फर्निचराचो व्हॅल्यू डिक्रीज जाता तेन्ना It means that asset value is also decreasing because furniture is a asset. Okay, so that means it will be debited in the revaluation account and the second effect will be in the balance sheet. So let us first record the first effect of this. Okay, first effect will be recorded in the revaluation account debit side because decrease in asset. So here you write to furniture. What is the amount? 3,300. Okay, ताजो जो सेकंड इफेक्ट आसा तो खंय येतलो? इट विल कम इन द बॅलन्स शीट ओवर हियर. लेस depreciation 3,300. Okay, outer column will come 18,700. The same amount what I have just calculated. So both the effects are recorded. First in the revaluation account, second in the balance sheet. Okay. So this adjustment is done completely. Then let us do the second one. Investment taken over by Ravi Raj at the book value. So इन्वेस्टमेंटाचो बूक वॅल्यू कितलो आशिल्लो? इन्वेस्टमेंटाचो बूक वॅल्यू आशिल्लो 30,000 आनी रविराजान ते कितले पयशान व्हेले वो इन्वेस्टमेंट टेकन ओवर बाय रविराज एट द बूक वॅल्यू. जो बूक वॅल्यू आशिल्लो त्याच प्रायजान रविराजान तो इन्वेस्टमेंट व्हेलो. सो how to record it, where to record it, who is taking this investment? Partner varta. So whenever a partner is taking any investment or paying any liability, it will be recorded in the partner's capital account. Okay, now where to record? Debit side, credit side. I will tell you all the logic how to remember. Which side investment is recorded? Investment is recorded in the right hand side. So when you are going to record it in the partner's capital account, when the partner is taking over that investment, which side it will come? Opposite side. So ह्या सायडीन येतली. Asset आसा जाल्यार ह्या सायडीन येतले, liability आसा जाल्यार it will come in this side. Okay, so I will write this in the opposite side, means over here. To investment, कोण व्हरता investment हो? Taken over by Ravi Raj. At what price? Book value. What was the book value? 30,000. So same प्रायजाक तो इन्वेस्टमेंट घेता. आतां सपोज हायर प्रायजान व्हेल्लो किंवा कमी प्रायजान व्हेल्लो जाल्यार तो डिफरन्स अमावंट जो आसा तो इनक्रीज इन असेट और डिक्रीज इन असेट अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट तुमकां सेकंड इफेक्ट रिवॅल्युएशन अकाउंटान बरोवचो पडटा आशिल्लो. बट हियर रविराज इज टेकिंग दॅट इन्वेस्टमेंट एट द बुक व्हॅल्यू ओनली. सो देर इज नो इनक्रीज इन असेट्स or decrease in assets. Okay, so for that reason there will be no second effect of this entry in the revaluation account. Only this one effect will be there because the investment is taken at the book value. Okay, so the second effect is done, second adjustment is done. Then the third one is what? The goodwill should be valued at 2 years purchase of average profit of the last 4 years. Okay, under the topic calculation of goodwill in the first chapter आम्ही एवरेज प्रॉफिट आणि सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड डिस्कस केल्ले. सो हांगा they are telling you to use average profit method and calculate goodwill of the firm. So let us see how to calculate. This you all have studied, students. This is just the repetition that I am doing over here. Okay, so I will take it on a fresh page. This is relating to the third adjustment, that is to calculate the goodwill. Okay, आता goodwill calculate करपाक जाय. आता ह्या क्वेश्चनान आमकां goodwill of the firm directly दिवना. You have to find it out. How? Using the average profit method. So first you have to calculate average profit. How to calculate average profit? They have told average profit of the last 4 years. So last 4 yearsaची तुमकां profit किंवा loss तें दिल्लें आसा. So how, what formula are we going to take? Total profit, average profit is equal to total profit upon number of years. Okay, total profit कशी calculate करतात? 2014 कितले आशिल्ले? 36,000 profit आशिल्ले. So write 36,000 plus 2015 also there was a profit. 2016 कितें आशिल्लें loss, so write this minus 15,000 and then 2017 there was again profit, that is 30,000 upon number of years 1 2 3 4 चार वर्साचे आमी हे फिगर्स घेतले आसात प्रॉफिट्स. Okay, or loss, it is taken off of 4 years. So add all this. Okay, if you add all this amount you will get 80,000. Okay, if you add and deduct this amount you will get 80,000 divided by 4. So if you calculate this you will get rupees 20,000. So what is the average profit? Average profit is 20,000. Now we are going to use the formula of goodwill. Goodwill of the firm is equal to average profit multiplied by number of years purchase. Okay, please try to recollect. You all have solved 2 marks question also on this in the first test. So please revise those questions. Okay, average profit कितले दिला 20,000 multiplied by number of years purchase. See, the goodwill should be valued at 2 years purchase. It is given over here. So 2 years. This comes to 40,000. So what is the goodwill of the firm? Goodwill of the firm is equal to 40,000. Now what you have to calculate, आता usually कितें दिताली आमकां adjustmentan goodwill of the firm is 40,000 अशें डायरेक्टली दिल्लें आसतालें, पूण ह्या प्रॉब्लमान तुमकां डायरेक्टली दिल्लें ना. Using this average profit method they have told you to calculate the average profit first and then the goodwill of the firm. So goodwill of the firm ह्या क्वेश्चनान तुमकां डायरेक्टली दिवना. You all have to calculate it accordingly in following these steps. आता goodwill of the firm मेळ्ळें. आता आमी कितें करतली? We are going to calculate share of retiring partner in goodwill. Goodwillan retiring partneraचो कितलो share आसा? How to find it out? Take the goodwill of the firm, that is 40,000. Take the total goodwill of the firm multiplied by share of retiring partner. So retirer कोण जाता? रविराज जाता. ओके, रविराज. सो रविराजाक आमकां कितलो रेशियो मेळिल्लो? ओल्ड रेशियो 3/5. द फर्स्ट पार्टनर इज रिटायरिंग. ओके, हो जो फर्स्ट पार्टनर आसा तो रिटायर्ड जाता. सो ताचो शेअर कितलो आशिल्लो? 3/5. सो यू हॅव टू रायट हियर 3/5. Okay, so if you calculate this you will get rupees 24,000. So out of the total goodwill of the firm, that is 40,000, what is the share of retiring partner in that goodwill? 24,000, because it is having 3 parts out of 5 parts. आता हो जो 24,000 आसा तो रिटायरिंग पार्टनराक पे करपाचो. पे means what? It has to be credited to the retiring partner. Who is retiring? Raviraj is a retiring partner. Raviraj retired जाता. सो हो जो 24,000 आसा तो रविराजाल्या अकाउंटान क्रेडीट जावपाक जाय. पूण तो कोण क्रेडीट करता ताच्या अकाउंटान? जे कोण रविराजाचे शेअर गेन करतात ते पार्टनर्स ताका तो अमाउंट पे करतले. सो फॉर दॅट रिजन वॉट वी हॅव टू कॅल्कुलेट नाव? वी हॅव टू कॅल्कुलेट गेन रेशियो. Now in this problem students, what was given? It was given to us only the old ratio. New profit sharing ratio किंवा gain ratio बद्दल आमकां आनी कांयच दिल्लें ना. What is given? Only it is given to us that old ratio of the partners and nothing else is given. New profit sharing ratio, gain ratio कांय दिवना आमकां हांगा. So in that case, how to calculate the gain ratio? How did I told you all? Write this 3:1:1. 3:1:1. ओके, जेन्ना आमकां फक्त इतलीच इन्फॉर्मेशन आसता हाव टू कॅल्कुलेट वेन वी हॅव ओनली विथ अस ओल्ड रेशियो एंड नथिंग इज देर, neither new profit sharing ratio, neither the gain ratio, nothing else is given. In that case, how do we calculate the gain ratio? जो कोण पार्टनर रिटायर्ड जाता ताजो शेअर काडून उडयात. उरलो कितलो 1:1. So what is the gain ratio? Gain ratio is 1:1 between the remaining partner, that is Shivraj and Ruturaj. This is Shivraj and then this is of Ruturaj. Okay, so this we can write it as 1/2 and 1/2. So 24,000 आमी रिटायरिंग पार्टनराक पे करपाक जाय जाल्यार 24,000 शिवराज कितलो पे करतलो आनी आउट ऑफ 24,000 हाउ मच शिवराज विल पे एंड हाउ मच ऋतुराज विल पे टू द रिटायरिंग पार्टनर, that is Raviraj. So you have to write here, okay, what is the amount that has to be paid to the retiring partner? 24,000. Okay, 24,000 should be paid to the retiring partner as his share of goodwill. So half करपाचो, because here it is gain ratio is 1:1. So both the partners will be paying equally. So 12,000 will be paid by Shivraj and the remaining 12,000 will be paid by Ruturaj. So Shivraj आणि ऋतुराज कोण रिमेनिंग पार्टनर्स आसात तांचे अकाउंट आमी डेबिट करतली and it will be credited to the retiring partners account. Okay, so for this we write one journal entry, student. So how do we write? जे कोणाचे अकाउंट डेबिट जाता ते आमी पयली बरयतात. शिवराज कॅपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट बाय वॉट अमाउंट 12,000. तशेंच Ruturaj, they both are remaining partners or continuing partners. Okay, is debited by 12,000 आणि ते कोणाक पे करतात? रिटायरिंग पार्टनर. हू इज अ रिटायरिंग पार्टनर? रविराज. सो टू रविराज कॅपिटल अकाउंट, that is 24,000. ओके, आता ही जी एंट्री आसा ती आमकां आतां पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंटान रिकॉर्ड करपाक जाय. ओके, this we have to record it in the partners capital account. Now as I have told you all in the previous problems also, when there is capital account appearing in the debit side also in the credit side, there will be two effect of this journal entry in the partners capital account over here in the ledger. Okay, so firstly आमी डेबिट साइड इफेक्ट बरोवया and then we will write the credit side. So Shivraj and Ruturaj capital account आमी डेबिट केला by 12,000 each. So just write Shivraj and Ruturaj account is debited by 12,000. Debited means I am writing this in the debit side of the partners capital account. आणि हे पैसे 12,000 मायनस हांचे अकाउंटांतल्यान मायनस जावन कोणाक वतात? ओपोजीट टू दिस वॉट इज रिटन? रविराज कॅपिटल अकाउंट. सो यू रायट हियर रविराज कॅपिटल अकाउंट. ओके, then the second effect of this entry will come in the other side by, okay, right now हे जे पैसे 12,000 हांचे दोगाच्या पार्टनराच्या अकाउंटान मायनस जावन ते कोणाक वतात? द पार्टनर हू रिटायर. सो आय एम रायटिंग दिस नाव इन द क्रेडिट साइड इन दॅट रिटायरिंग पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट. ही इज रिसिविंग 12,000 and 12,000 separately from both the partners, that is Shivraj and Ruturaj. So here I will write by Ruturaj capital account and then by Shivraj capital account. You can write this first, Shivraj capital account and then Ruturaj capital account. Amount is same, so no matter what, whether you write this first or this first, doesn't matter. Okay, so this entry is recorded. It is having two effects. Please note that this is one effect and this is the remaining other side effect. Okay, ह्या साइडीन एक इफेक्ट येतलो, ह्या साइडीन एक इफेक्ट येतलो. Then so this third adjustment is done. Okay, then the fourth one, an amount of rupees an amount of rupees 8,500 included in the creditors is no longer a liability and hence it should be written off. Okay, there is 8,500 which is included in this creditors amount. Creditors कितले आशिल्ले? Book value of creditors 66,000. Okay, तातूंतले जे 8,500 आसा ते बिजनसान मे बी पे केले, सो इट इज नो मोर अ लायबिलिटी नाव. Okay, so if it is no more a liability, then you have to reduce your liability by that much amount. So what we have to do, you have to write your less, this I am showing you all directly, less written off. Okay, what amount that is given over here is no more a liability, means that creditor is reduced now. So reduced by 8,500. So if you minus this, you will get 57,500. सो एक इफेक्ट आमी बॅलन्स शिटान बरयलो, ताचो दुसरो इफेक्ट जो आसा तो रिवॅल्युएशन अकाउंटान येतलो. आतां तुमी हांगाच पळोवन तुमी सांगपाक शकतात, सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर्स इज वॉट? सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर्स इज अ लायबिलिटी. पयली लायबिलिटी कितली आशिल्ली? 66,000. सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर्स कितले आशिल्ले पयली? 66,000 आनी आतां कितले जाले? 57,500. That means this liability, that is sundry creditors, is been decreased by 8,500. So jenna sundry creditors decrease jata, that means the liability is also decreasing. So when there is decrease in the liability, increase in liability आमी हांगा बरयतात, decrease in liability we write it in the credit side. So here you have to write by sundry creditors or by creditors, by what amount it has been decreased? 8,500. Okay, so once all this entry are being recorded, okay, all the entries we have recorded now, even the last adjustment is done, and lastly that entry is the entire amount payable to the retiring partner shall be kept at his loan account. This I will tell you later once I close your partner's capital account. Okay, आता आमी सगळे रिकॉर्ड केल्ले आसा. नाव what is the step? First we will close revaluation account, then partner's capital account, and then the balance sheet. Okay, so let us close first revaluation account. Okay, so if you add the debit side amount and credit side amount, obviously credit side amount is heavier. It is coming 38,500. कितलो येता? 38,500. Similarly over here 38,500. 38,500 minus 8,000 minus 3,300, you will get 27,200. आता हो जो बॅलन्सिंग फिगर येता इन द रिवॅल्युएशन अकाउंट, डेबिट साइड मीन्स इट्स अ प्रॉफिट. डेबिट सायडीन आयलो बॅलन्सिंग फिगर जाल्यार तो प्रॉफिट, क्रेडिट सायडीन बॅलन्सिंग फिगर आयला जाल्यार तो लॉस. सो हे जे प्रॉफिट आसा ते आमी तिनी पार्टनराक, तिनी जे ओल्ड पार्टनर्स आसा तांकां डिस्ट्रिब्यूट करपाचे. ओके, इन देयर प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशियो. सो हियर यू रायट ऑल द नेम्स ऑफ द पार्टनर्स, रविराज, शिवराज and Ruturaj. Okay, this is transferred to which account? This account. So you are going to write here the name of that account, that is partners capital account. 27,200 आमी खंयच्या रेशियोन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करतात? इट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन ओल्ड रेशियो. एंड वॉट इज द ओल्ड रेशियो? हियर 3:1:1. So 3/5. Out of this 27,500, okay, 3 parts will go to Raviraj, 1 part Shivraj, and the remaining 1 part to Ruturaj. So calculate this. 27,200 multiplied by 3 divided by 5, you will get for Raviraj. It is coming 16,320, and for the remaining partners 5,440, 5,440. Okay, according to their old ratio, you distribute this, whatever the amount that you are getting over here as balancing figure. Okay, so once that is done, transfer it in the partners capital account. हांगा डेबिट सायडीन आसा जाल्यार ते क्रेडिट सायडीन ऑपोजीट सायडीन हांगा येतले, ऑलवेज इन द क्रॉस सायड. This side only it will not come, it will go in the cross side. So you have to write here by revaluation account. This is a profit. In the bracket you can write if you want profit. Write this amount. Raviraj 16,320, Shivraj 5,440, Ruturaj 5,440. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to total this. First we will total for remaining partners. Remaining जे कोण पार्टनर्स आसात शिवराज एंड ऋतुराज तांची आमी टोटल करून बॅलन्सिंग फिगर बरोवया आनी रिटायरिंग पार्टनर आसा तो मागीर लास्ट करूया. ओके, सो इफ यू एड ऑल दिस थ्री फिगर्स यू विल गेट 51,440. okay, same amount you will write for Shivraj in the other side also. 51,440 minus 12,000 if you do, you will get 39,440. तशेंच ऋतुराजाली टोटल करूया. इट कम्स टू 51,440. सेम यू राइट ओवर हियर 51,440. 51,440 minus 12,000, same figure you will get because the amounts were same in the credit as well as in the debit side for the remaining both the partners. ओके, आता हे जे रिमेनिंग पार्टनर्साक जे बॅलन्सिंग फिगर येता ताका आमी कितें म्हणटात, टू बॅलन्स कॅरीड डावन, एंड दीस वील बी रिटन ओवर हियर 39,440, 39,440. एड इट कम्स टू 78,880. आता आमी रिटायरिंग पार्टनर जो आसा तांचे अकाउंट क्लोज करूयात. रिमेनिंग पार्टनराचे जे कितें बॅलन्सिंग फिगर आयले आमकां ते आमी हांगा बरयतात इन द बॅलन्स शीट अंडर कॅपिटल. आतां आमी कितें करतात, जो कोण पार्टनर रिटायर्ड जाता ताजे आमी टोटल करून बॅलन्सिंग फिगर फायंड आउट करूया. सो एड ऑल दीस क्रेडिट सायड, इट कम्स टू 1,18,320. Similarly over here 1,18,320. 1,18,320 minus 30,000 if you do, you will get balancing figure as 88,320. आता जो कोण पार्टनर रिटायर्ड जाता ताजो जो बॅलन्सिंग फिगर येता तो आमी कित्यान ट्रान्सफर करतात, ताज्या लोन अकाउंटान ट्रान्सफर करतात. इट विल नॉट बी कॉल्ड एज बॅलन्स कॅरीड डावन, इट विल बी कॉल्ड एज टू कोण पार्टनर तो रविराज रिटायर्ड जाता, सो टू रविराज लोन अकाउंट, and this amount will be recorded over here as Raviraj loan account. It is not an asset, it is a liability. Businessan taka Ravirajak 88,320 पे करपाचो म्हणून तें खंय येतलें, लायबिलिटी सायडीन येतली. हें क्रॉस वयचें ना. Please remember, this will not go cross. Every time you cannot apply the same rule. This will go in the liability side over here, 88,320. Okay, now add all these four figures. If you add, you should get 2,62,700. Similarly, add all these figures, you should get 2,62,700. So the liability is equal to the asset. If this is not equal, that means you must have done mistake somewhere. Okay, I hope this problem is clear to you all. So with this we are done with the retirement chapter. Okay, I have solved 4 problems now on this. So practice this all 4 problems thoroughly. Okay, so in the next video I can take objective questions and then we can start with the death of a partner. The death of a partner chapter is similar to this retirement of a partner. Only thing, when a partner dies, okay, एक जेन्ना पार्टनर मरता तेन्ना आमी ताज्या लोन अकाउंटान आमी पयशे घालची ना. ताजो जो कोण नॉमिनी होल्डर आसा, दॅट इज एक्झिक्युटर्स लोन अकाउंट, ताजे अकाउंटाचें नांव येतलें हांगा. दॅट इज द ओनली डिफरन्स. Okay, remaining whatever that you have learned in case of retirement, the same concept we are going to use for the death also. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you, students.